friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest offering from Mobiistar in India, the Mobiistar X1 Notch. So as the name indicates, the notch is the highlight of the device. So Mobiistar is launching its first smartphone with the notch. We have the X1 Notch, and this is a selfie camera smartphone. It's 13 megapixel AI selfie camera, and it also has pretty good looks with dual coloring tapered. It also comes with good looks, great looks. That's one thing which Mobiistar highlights, because it comes with dual color, and a gradient color is also included, which is kind of new to most of the smartphones launching towards the end of 2018. We have seen this gradient color being introduced. So this is the Mobiistar X1 Notch, and the specifications are mentioned here. So you can see that this comes with a 5.7-inch HD plus resolution display. It has face unlock, smart unlock, 13 megapixel selfie camera, 13 megapixel rear camera, dual volt is also included, and then you get to see the specifications as well. It comes with 3GB RAM, 32GB storage. It's powered by a quad-core processor. The processor is not mentioned here, so we'll get to know after unboxing. Then it also has a notch display, 3020 mAh battery, and it comes with a 13 megapixel selfie camera as well. So the pricing is not available as of now, so it should be priced below the 10K pricing bin, because it's not a really high-end device for the mid-range segment. So that's the features and specifications. So here you can see that 3GB RAM and 32GB storage mentioned, and we have the gradient shine color. That's the color we have. Gradient shine is a color name for the Mobiistar X1 Notch. So let's get started. So let's open the box package, and you get to see the device. You can see that this is the Mobiistar X1 Notch. So let's just take this out. So you can see that the highlight is definitely the looks. You can see the gradient color. It's kind of purple and slightly greenish in color. So looks really nice, and we have the camera units, 13 megapixel camera, LED flash, fingerprint scanner, Mobiistar logo, and at the bottom section you get to see the micro USB charging slot and the speaker unit. Up top we have the 3.5mm audio jack. The right side houses the power key and the volume rocker keys, and the left side has the SIM tray. It's a dual SIM card slot. So you can also see that one thing to note here is that the gradient color extends to the sides of the device as well. So generally we have a single color on the sides for most of the smartphones. So here what Mobiistar has done is a gradient color has been extended to the sides, giving it a good look. You can see that purple at the top and slightly greener color towards the bottom. So that's the Mobiistar X1 Notch. So let's just peel off these stickers. Then we'll just boot the device. So it is also a selfie focused smartphone with a 13 megapixel selfie camera. So Mobiistar Enjoy More is the caption, powered by Android. So this should have the Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. So while the device is being booted, we'll just see what else comes inside the box. So here we get a case included. So this is the Notch X1 Notch. You can see that all the manual and warranty information is mentioned here. So it comes with a dedicated slot. You can see that 2 SIM card and dedicated slot is included. Then you get a case. So it's a standard TPU case included. So that's quite good. Then you get the Mobiistar charger adapter. It's 5 volt 1.5 ampere. You get a SIM ejector pin, the standard USB charging and data syncing cable, and the earphone is also included. It's a pretty standard earphone which is included. So that's something good, because most of the smartphones skip on the earphones. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So that's the Mobiistar X1 Notch. You can see this 5.7 inches HD plus resolution display, and you can see this is a custom UI from Mobiistar. You can see it does feature some additional options, and the software is Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and Android security patch level is from October 2018. And you can see that it comes with multiple home screens devoid of an app drawer. So let's go to settings. You can see that 25.12GB is available out of the box in the storage department, And let's also see some additional options. You can see there is support for themes, wallpapers, and some effects and widgets are supported. So it's a custom UI from Mobiistar, and if you look at the notification center and the toggles, it looks quite okay in terms of the features being offered. So that's the Mobiistar X1 Notch, and you can see that the viewing angles are quite okay. You can see that the colors are quite good for the device. The display feels quite good for the pricing, and the overall build quality is something which is pretty good on this device. It feels really premium for the price segment it is being offered. Now let's have a look at the camera. So this is the 13 megapixel rear camera. We have the video, face, beauty and night mode. There is also AI mode included. So let's go to the video recording. So let's see what is the options included. So you can see that there is EIS support available. That's quite good, something which is not available in most of the budget smartphones. You can record videos in 1080p resolution, and EIS is also supported. Then you get picture, the regular picture mode, face, beauty and night mode is also included. Let's take a few captures and then we'll have a look at them. So here are some of the samples we have taken with the Mobiistar X1 Notch after unboxing the device. So looks quite okay for the budget segment it is being offered. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Mobiistar X1 Notch. So as of now we are not really sure about the pricing. So this will be officially announced on Jan 10 and we'll get to know the pricing. We'll update in the comment section the pricing of the Mobiistar X1 Notch. So this is Number signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.